You can start earning rewards in 5 minutes with just your computer and no setup costs. And I also thought that this was too good to be true until I did a whole ton of research on this project and then joined. Later, I'll show you what I've earned so far and how you can earn 5,000 bonus rewards. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. My name is Dan, and every week I do videos on the benefits and also the risks of cool and trending projects. So make sure to come back if you don't want to miss out. And importantly, this isn't financial advice, and always do your own research. So never invest more than you can afford to lose. Grass is a project in the AI and DePIN narrative. So that means it takes off-chain real world stuff to help with AI. What Grass does is it collects data like prices and Twitter trends and sells it to AI companies. And it gives you rewards for helping them collect the data. Now don't worry, you don't have to fill out forms or do market research or anything like that. It's 100% passive. AI companies love fresh data. They can't get enough of it. And they get that data by scraping the internet. Scraping is like you wanting to buy a jacket, and so you ask a friend to check the prices of every single online shop so you get a complete picture of what's happening. But scraping uses a lot of bandwidth, which is essentially how much stuff you can download at once. You can think of it like one person using your Wi-Fi versus 5 people using it. And so the problem for AI companies is that their bandwidth is never big enough for them to download enough data, and that's what Grass fixes. Grass downloads the equivalent of the entire text of Wikipedia 1,000 times every single day. So that's a lot of freaking info that these AI companies are willing to pay a lot of money for. And so where do you fit into all of this? Well, Grass takes your unused bandwidth and it uses that to scrape the internet. And I know that right now alarm bells might be going off and you're thinking about personal safety and privacy and all that type of stuff. And I did too. And I'll show you why it's safe in just a minute. You see, right now, you're paying for internet that gives you a certain amount of bandwidth. But in reality, you're only ever actually using a fraction of that bandwidth at any one time. For example, streaming a 4K video on Netflix only uses about 5% of your bandwidth. So that's a lot of it just sort of sitting there doing nothing, but you're still paying for it. And so Grass comes along and says, hey, do you mind if we use a bit of that unused bandwidth and we'll reward you for it? Think of it like your internet is a 5-lane highway and you're only using a single lane. Why not rent out a couple of the other lanes? You start getting rewards which are converted to tokens, and then you can sell those on the major exchanges. So it does sound pretty easy, but I know that you have the same questions as what I had. Will it slow down my internet? Can you track what I'm doing online? And how the hell is giving away free tokens good for anybody? So here's a rapid fire answer to these questions. Grass can't access your passwords or your browsing history or your personal files. It's kind of like when someone else uses their device on your Wi-Fi. They can't see what you're doing on your device. No, it doesn't slow down your internet. It only uses the lanes that you're not using. I've tested this myself and there's no problem with speed whatsoever. I've just done normal stuff like watching movies, YouTube, online gaming, and there were no issues at all. It's kind of like it's not there. And I guess the main question is, how the heck is giving away free tokens good for anybody or even the project? Well, companies buy the data with Grass tokens, and retail investors also trade the token. Plus they raised 4.5 million at launch. So it's not just free giveaways, there's off-chain money, capital coming into the project. So you can kind of look at Grass like getting rewards for sharing a resource that you weren't even using anyway. And if you want to get 5,000 bonus rewards, then sign up using my link, which is in the description. And if you do that, then I thank you very much for that. So here you can see the app, what it looks like. It shows that I'm connected. And so far, that's what I've earned. I haven't actually refreshed it yet. So if we do it a quick refresh, so it's sort of doubled. I've basically just had this since I started working this morning and just had it running in the background. And if you want, you can go to the dashboard, and these are the rewards I've earned so far. So, that's when I first got it. Obviously, the second day, this is today, I've used it a little bit. And so here's the Grass website. I really like the look of it. It's really smooth, and it sort of explains it really easily. And obviously, there's a lot to know about it, and they have really useful articles here. But if you want to download it, you just come down to download Grass, and you've got the Windows version, you've got all these different versions here, or you can get it on the Google Play Store. Rewards are converted to tokens at the end of each stage, and a stage is sort of dictated by project milestones rather than a specific date. And they've already had a couple of airdrops so far, and the next one is looking on track to be the end of this year. So getting in now could mean you're eligible for an airdrop depending on how much you use it. But what about the risks in this project? Well, it's a new concept and it's still in adoption. So, it could just amount to a free pizza, or it could be a lot more down the line. Obviously, nothing is guaranteed, but once you're in it, you're earning regardless of what happens. Also, 75% of the tokens are scheduled to be unlocked at the end of this October. Now, before you panic, the tokens are vested over 3 years. And so what that means is technically they're unlocked, but the contract will only sort of dish out a certain amount of tokens over that 3-year period. Also, you can't use a VPN due to geographic restrictions. So in other words, the rules of some countries. And also, if more AI companies don't adopt it, it could just sort of peter out to nothing. But to be fair, that's true for any business. The Discord is really active with nearly 500,000 members. And whenever I had a question, they answered it within a couple of minutes. And also they have this sort of technical talk where you can ask any technical question at all, and they respond so super quickly that it's just really great support. I do love the idea, and I love the innovation that they're doing with this and sort of the gap that they're filling, and it's getting filled now. People are buying it. And if you want that 5,000 bonus points, then sign up using my link, and I thank you very much if you do decide to do that. And I'd love to know, what do you think about Grass? Please let me know in the comments. And until next time, I'll see you in the next vid. Bye.